know, see, it feels like I ain't been on YouTube in a long time, even though it's only been like 4 days. This week, I'm gonna try to post back to back to back to back. But the only reason why, if there's ever a reason why I don't post, because like I said, I'm trying to like do like this little nail tech thing, and also I sing, so you know, you girl be writing music sometimes. So basically today's video is gonna be me trying to do my own eyebrows on camera for the first time. I've tried before, but I haven't done it on camera, so I want to do it on camera because I feel like it'll be a good video. But first things first, before we get into the video, if you are already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Please do not mind my forehead. I am not perfect. I am human, so my head is breaking out. Leave this video up if you like it. Comment down below what you want to see next, and let's just get into the video. So I went and bought, because you know your girl don't know, I really don't know that much. I bought these 2 brow pencils. Let me show you. So these are, who are these by? LA Colors, and these are dark brown. And then I bought this concealer by LA Colors, and I kind of like this concealer. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So I'm gonna take my mirror off of here for y'all. I like that, don't y'all? Do my brows on camera for y'all. So you just basically fill your brows in with the pencil. Let me get close so y'all can see. You basically just fill in any gaps that you have. Don't do it too heavily, because when I first started doing it, I was doing it too heavy, and then like my eyebrows looked too dang on dark, so unnatural, and I didn't like that. Listen, I know if it's bogus, let me just be bogus, because I don't know how to do eyebrows. I'm telling you, I don't, but I'm trying. So that's why I'm doing it on camera, because I feel like, did you see this big old like what? But I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it, bro. I'm gonna fix it. So then, this is as filthy as it's gonna get. I'm gonna take this, because I don't have a spoolie, I'm gonna take this toothbrush and you just wanna brush it out so it looks natural. That way it don't look so harsh, and just brush it out. See, it looks a lot better, doesn't it? I know. And you're gonna take some concealer, put it on the back of your hand. I just put it on the back of my hand because I don't have nowhere else to sit, so I put it on the back of my hand. This is in the shade, because I be watching videos and people never say the shade. This is in the shade Light, period. Then we're gonna take this little, I got this little brush, a little Wet n Wild brush from the Dollar Tree, and it's really a eyeshadow brush, but it's so flat, I figured I could use it for concealing my brows. Yeah. And you just pretty much, let me make sure y'all can see, because if y'all think that's gonna be terrible. I'm really not even supposed to use this much. I don't know why I got so much on here. This is really how much I'm supposed to use. See how much I use at the top? That's really how much. Oh. And you can see the coverage on this concealer, because I'm covering up my pimples. I might as well go ahead and cover this one up, because that one looked like somebody just hit me with a sack of nickels. Somebody hit me with a sack of nickels. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other eyebrow, and then I'm gonna show you what to do after that. Go with my fill in any little gaps I see. That's pretty much what you're doing, is filling in any gaps that you see. And it's okay if you mess up, because that's where the concealer comes in. But don't mess up on purpose. Try not to mess up. You know what I'm saying? Just mess it up.
Right there, Vortex.
Okay. A little bit, that's okay though. just gonna take your brush, just brush it out, you know, just so it looks natural and not like you can actually tell you done drew your eyebrows on. And just pull y'all right here. Keep in mind, y'all, I'm no professional. This is like probably like my third time doing eyebrows. So then I'm just rip this in the back of my hand. And
Right there, Vortex.
this one looks so good. I feel like this one looks so pretty. And then this one look how it look, okay? But one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these makeup wipes. I'm gonna wipe all of the makeup off. I'm just gonna wipe like up here, like just kind of dab it so it don't look all, you know what I'm saying?
Right there, Vortex.
Perfect. Now it looks so much better. And then we done. We're done. This is good as it's gonna get. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you thumbs this video up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and tell everybody you know about your girl. And until next time, pretty gang. Peace.
Right there, Vortex.